Well, this is I wouldn't say this is a home amplifier, but it's a professional amplifier. Um, it uses a linear power supply, a big old toroid. And I can see now why um, a lot of companies like Behringer have, like on the iNuke, which I'm a big fan of. It's just noisy, it's fan cooled, and they're temperature controlled. Like when you turn up the volume, the fans like go on high, and it's kind of noisy. So, but if you put it in a closet somewhere, remote, it's fine. But it's super light. This fucker is super fucking heavy, like well over 100 pounds. At least that's what it feels like. That's what my nuts are saying. But I love that China. I said, they're like, what version do you want? I'm like, 110. Like, I really want to see what happens. So, of course, this is a great cable. However, this, so I'm just going to help it along here. Oh no. Don't do that, Patrick. There's converters. Oh, what? What? There's converters? Yeah, it's called a heavy duty plug. Right there. It even says right there, heavy duty. That's how I know it's heavy duty. There's a lot of duty. So I'll put that on here. But I want to open it up and do a device count and all that shit and show you some guts. So, but yeah, I get, some of my clients are like business owners, and they're like, I want to really do something gonzo for home. I'm like, all right, well, what is it? Balls deep in the AIDS butthole. Let's do it.